What's up guys, Shamil here, new autoglass, working on the 2011 Audi A8L series, the long series, and I'm cutting those windshield with OrangeBat. Once again, amazing tool. Talk to my man Victor, description link in the description below. And so the way I have it set up here is it's closer to the passenger side. I started from the bottom, went all the way to the middle, past the middle, and I stopped. So the top side, what I did was I want to give my line a little bit angle. So suction cup, use it as a guide because it's a lot easier to pump and take it off this than pumping that. So if you need a little bit different angle, you can always use a suction cup. And this right here I have is a GT tool suction cup. It's very strong. The only thing you gotta do is push, hold the line so it doesn't slip. But this way you could actually guide the line whichever angle you want. If you want to bring it down lower, you just pull it off. Hold on, let me switch my hand. Here it just comes off easy, and then just put it wherever you want. Since this is faster pump than pumping the tool, I think this in the beginning, this option for you right here will be a lot easier to master the tool, because this way you could guide the line and don't put a lot of pressure on the line. And since this is an XN line, this is the medium pressure line, because the P8 that I have is a stronger line, so I want to give it a little bit less pressure. Hey, look, there's dogs right there. Yeah, dogs. Hey dogs, don't bite me, I'm here doing the work. Yeah, so great tool. As I said before, couple tricks here and there to figure this tool out, but then it does great work. So thank you for watching guys. Check the description below for the information where to obtain this tool, and description below for this tool, GT tools suction cup. This thing is amazing. This rubber here is thick, so it's very strong, but in the cold weather sometimes you gotta play with it. But that thing is like a rock, it ain't going nowhere. So try it. Thank you guys, I hope this helps, a little trick, and have a good day guys.